Here's Eli getting his first bite of food. What's happened, Jake? That's silly.
Let's see if he'll do it again. Here comes Eli.
This is what Eli does. I'll have that. You're silly, Eli. He
See if
says,
he
I
wants
think
some
this
more.
is good. Yep. Put that in my mouth. He knows exactly what to do
Right
with that.
back out of my mouth.
You are messy.
Eli, how much of that is actually going in your tummy?
Okay. You're silly.
We're feeding Eli some real food, but he's gonna grab the spoon!
Ah, he's silly, huh? This is Eli. Eli at 5 months and 5 days old. He's liking this.
Look at that! That is a stinker.
Oh, thanks for sharing, Jake.
Daddy, I want to try to get some real food to give to him.
You want to try to feed him?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you try to feed him?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, careful.
A little too far there, Buster.
Oh.
Daddy, can I try
Okay.
that?
Why don't you let Eli grab it and put it in his mouth, okay?
You don't put it in there, just let him do it. Oh. Well, I guess.
I just want to do it.
Okay, try again. Don't put it very far in his mouth, though, okay?
Oh. Okay.
Eli, I think you'd be toast if Jake had to feed you. I think you'd be toast. Don't cut it yet. Should we give Eli a bath tonight? Or is this his bath?
What's going on, Eli? What is going on? You are one messy duck. All right. Say goodbye, everyone.
Bye.